Alright guys, here we are again, once again, at oh, tree's blocking it. Here we are again at SM Mall. What are we doing back at SM Mall again? Tonight they got fireworks. It's Hollywood night. Last week they had fireworks also, Friday, Saturday, and then this week, and Friday and Saturday of this week, and different countries representing different fireworks here. And tonight is Hollywood night, so we're back tonight, and we're going to check out some fireworks here tonight. And meeting up with Tok Tok Cali and his family, going to do some dinner before we check out the fireworks, but that's what we're doing tonight. Check out the Santa Clauses in the tree. We got faces of Santa Claus running all the way down through here. And of course they got the Christmas lights going as you enter in. Very festive. Wow, Salvation Army.
We're trying to get some donation for the charity of Salvation Army.
We have Salvation Armies back in the States. I guess you guys are here too, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm just new with this organization. They said it originated in London.
So this is what we are here for tonight. Pyro Fest. 6 Unravel the World's Wonders. I don't know if I read that right. It didn't sound right. Unravel the World's Wonders. Oh, okay. At Asian Pop Treasure. That was last week. Europe. Tonight, Americas. Tomorrow, Latin. We got people buying their firework tickets for tonight. We actually bought ours in advance, so we don't have to stand in line. I think they were 100 pesos each. Students with student IDs was 50. But yeah, we pre-bought ours, so we don't have to stand in line. I know you guys are probably getting pretty sick of the mall, but I got this cool merry-go-round here. It's in the center court area here. This has been here ever since I've been coming here in 2012. But we're supposed to meet Tok Tok up here, but figured I'm here, I'd take a little walk around and show you guys the merry-go-round here. Well, I guess while we're here, Hannah Grace is going to take a ride on the merry-go-round. Alright, so I'm in a line right now. We're going to be meeting these celebrity drivers. They're going to be driving tomorrow up to the racetrack. And they got a line here. I have no clue who they are, but I'm going to walk up and, I don't know, just check them out. I don't think I'm going to be able to get up onto this fella right here. He's controlling the line, and I asked if I get up there, and he said no, so this man here rules.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you're watching the Celebrity Drivers of the Vios Cup 2017. We are in the final round.
Alright, so we met up with Tok Tok and his family, and we are at, what's it called again? Sakura. Japanese restaurant, and yeah, we're doing Japanese again tonight, but I'm sure Hannah Grace won't have any kimchi tonight, so. Pretty nice place, check it out. It's in the mall here.
What is it?
We've eaten here before. It's good. All right, so we're outside right now. The music is low, so I can do some filming here. Ran into a subscriber. Her name is Joe. Joe, I know you're going to see this. It was nice meeting you and your family. I always enjoy when my subscribers stop me and talk to me. But yeah, you see it. It's like a little outside carnival here. So they're starting up the music, and if I'm going to film here, you know what I got to do. I'm going to have to put some I'm gonna have to put some music on this, so. No, no, thank you. Wouldn't be an event without the big Jollibee.
Oo nga, tama. Correct. And tonight, ano ang expect natin for tonight? Let's give them a run through of what to expect tonight. So tonight we have the Americas.
Hollywood Tales.
Yes.
Yeah, American.
Hits of Madonna and
Wow.
Like a Virgin.
Pwede, no? Favorite mo yan, diba? Really interesting. We have the Johnny States.
There's the crew.
Yes, and for teams, we have this event.
Buko juice and cheese popcorn. No, thank you. Anna Grace, you got your Buko juice? You got your cheese popcorn? Dance, what? All right, guys, we're getting ready to leave. Those were awesome fireworks, as you guys see. I mean, I got footage upon footage of them. I didn't want to bore you with too much of it, but they did 3 shows, and they were about 8 to 10 minutes long. And the fireworks just kept coming and coming and coming. I mean, it was amazing. It was awesome. One of the best, if not the best, fireworks display that I've ever seen in my entire life. But anyways, it was awesome.